One of the best feeling every business owner will experience is that joy of having people continuously come to you, having customers continuously come to you without you spending a dime on advertising. Like people come to you for free. They just come, they just find you somewhere and they come over to you. How does that feel? As a business owner, there are ways that you can get customers for free and to grow your business. These are customers who are in the mood to buy. They are not just making inquiries. They're not just trying to know if they will buy. They want to buy. Then they come to you because they found you somewhere, because they found your offer worthy. They found your business and they would like to do business with you. So I'm making this video to share with you 5 easy ways to get customers for free, make sales, and grow your business regardless of your location around the world. Okay. The number two is one of my absolute favorites because it works like magic. Number one is super interesting. People are neglecting it. And then the last one, number five, my goodness. If you, in fact, this is it. Let me tell you honestly, if you implement what I'm going to share with you in this video, the result you will see will blow your mind and you will wonder, why have you not been thinking about it a long time ago? Yeah. So let's get started. My name is Courage. You are welcome to my channel. As tradition demands, as we do it here in this channel traditionally, I will only ask that you please give this video a thumbs up, like the video. That is your way of supporting my channel by simply, it doesn't take anything from you. Click that like button. That's all. Have you done that? I can wait if you want me to wait. Now let's get started. 5 ways to get more customers for free and grow your business. Number one, use Facebook Marketplace. It's so crazy that people do not know how powerful this platform is. Facebook Marketplace, it is absolutely free. Every day, people go there to search for stuff. You can sell new items, you can sell your products, you can sell used items. You can sell used items you want to discard. Like you can declutter your items on Facebook Marketplace, right? Simply go to your Facebook account. This is the marketplace here. This is the Facebook Marketplace here. Amazing stuff. Look, these are people putting up their products. Okay, you see the products, you see the phone number, you see how to contact them. Easy peasy. Every day people make sales. Personally, I have bought items from Facebook Marketplace. Like I don't even have to stress myself. I simply come here, see what I like, click on it, get the number of the person who is selling it, and Viola, I order and they deliver to me. Easy, easy peasy. So you can also list your own products here, your own items here on Facebook Marketplace. List it, put in your location, put your phone number, put everything, list it. You can see different categories, right? When you come around here, you're going to see different categories: cars, properties, apparels, classified, electronics, entertainment, family, free stuff, garden and outdoor hobbies, home appliances, home, whatever it is. There's a lot you can do on Facebook Marketplace. And guess what? It is absolutely free. Absolutely free. Okay? The second one is to list your business on Google My Business. Right? List your business on Google My Business. I love this one because it makes you visible on a global scale. It makes you visible to the whole wide world. Right? It makes you visible to the whole wide world. Listing your business on Google My Business makes you visible everywhere. It is free. You don't pay a dime. And as far as you keep optimizing your business, it makes it more interesting. Let me show you an example of what I mean here. Okay. So just you simply come on Google and you type Google My Business like this, and then you hit the search button. It will bring up your Google business account. For instance, if you come here, you're going to see something like Google Business Profile, get listed on Google, sign in, sign up, and just do your thing. List your business, put your business name and everything you need there. This is my own business here. You can see it's Winehouse Nigeria. You can see the address, and you can see so much more. All right. So if I click on View Profile, for instance, you're going to see the profile of my business. All right, on Google. It is absolutely free because people are leaving reviews. Right? It shows our open time and our closure time here. Shows your business phone number that people can contact your business to make purchase. All right. Shows what you offer. If you offer same day delivery, if you offer, put enough information. People are going to come and ask you questions and you're going to answer them. You're going to see a lot of reviews. Okay, you're going to see a lot of reviews. Then your social media handles are going to be there for ease. People are going to simply click on it and come to your social media. Then they're going to go through your look at, here's my Instagram, here's our Facebook account. Okay, you can see videos of us, everything about Wine House. So it automatically comes up on different search options because you have already registered it as a Google business account. It is free, absolutely free. Optimize it continuously, to continue to upload photos, upload pictures, optimize, use keywords to optimize your business so that whenever anybody searches for something, for instance, if you come on Google, let's do an example now. You come on Google and you search for where to buy wine in Lagos, where to buy the best wine in Lagos. You click on it. What do you see? You are seeing these three businesses here. This is my business, Wine House Nigeria. This is us here. This is us here. As if you put your cursor here, you're going to see us here on the map. Here, Wine House Nigeria on the map. So it is easy for people to locate us. This is it. It is easy for people to locate us. You can see the reviews, good wine, great staff, and awesome customer service. Right? So people enjoy this stuff. You're going to see other reviews here. Now you can see our business, our Instagram handle. Because what? Because we optimized our profile on Google. So it is easier for people to search and they find what you are selling and they find you for free. Why not take advantage of these things for your business? Do it. Do it. So the third one is take advantage of Gigi. Gigi is Gigi is across many countries. Yeah, you can find Gigi in Nigeria, in Kenya, Tanzania, Ghana, everywhere. So just put Gigi dot your country code, like Gigi.ng is for Nigeria, Gigi.gh is for Ghana, Gigi.kn is for Kenya, I think .tz is for Tanzania, and so on and so forth. Register your business on those platforms. Put pictures of what you sell. It is absolutely free. You can also run adverts there, but it is free to list your business and get listed there. Take advantage of these platforms. The ones that apply to your business and to your country, take advantage, put your business out there. The goal is to be visible. Visibility equals profitability. If you're not visible, customers cannot find you. If customers don't find you, you're not going to make sale. If you don't make sale, then your business is most likely not going to last. So your business will die and you cannot grow. But if you are visible, of course, people will come. They are going to buy. You are going to get more sales. You're going to make profit. You're going to grow. You're going to expand, and you become, you become a big shot. So take advantage of Gigi. It is free. Number four, do not neglect word of mouth. Listen, the easiest, the most efficient marketing that I know is word of mouth. People speaking to other people about your business, about your service, about the awesomeness of what you do. People giving honest reviews about how great your products are. Ask your customers to give you reviews. Yes, don't be shy. Ask them, right? Listen, you must try as much as you can to delight your customers. When a customer is completely satisfied and happy, they are going to become walking billboard for your business. They're going to tell as much people as possible. It gives me joy because every day people come to us, call us that they got our number from their friend or their family member. Somebody referred them to us to buy wine from us, to buy this and that from us, simply because we are doing an amazing job. You are sure that you're going to get original drinks, definitely original, 100% original, and the service, the customer service is amazing. The delivery is top notch. Everything is okay. People call us from all parts of the world, especially some Nigerians who want to come down and make and do wedding or have occasions or want to send gifts to somebody within Lagos. They simply call us, they pay money, and we deliver to the people or we supply to their weddings and to their parties. Their friends recommend us. They find us on Google, they find us on Facebook, they find us everywhere, they find us on Instagram, and people open mouth to tell them about our services. So they come to us and they find out that yes, it is real. So once we delight them, they also tell other people about us. So the word of mouth is spreading. Delight your existing customers. Speak to your friends, your family, people in your place of worship, people in your place of gathering, wherever you go to play, whatever it is. Speak about your business. Let people know about what you do, so that if they come across anyone who needs your product or your service, they will put in words for you. They will tell them about your product, about your offers, and you can get more people to come to you. So go ahead, spread the word about your business so that people can help you and speak to other people. Delight your existing customers, and they will become walking billboard for your business, for your brand. If this video is making sense to you, again, as tradition demands, please give me a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more of my face and more of my videos on YouTube, please consider subscribing to my channel. Just click that subscribe button and then click on the bell icon, so that you'll be among the first people to be notified whenever I publish videos. I make videos on how to grow your business. I make videos on advertising. I make videos on how to get money online, how to grow your income, and how to just make sales and live a better life. So consider subscribing to my channel and tell people about this channel. Word of mouth. Tell people about my channel so that they can come also. Share this video too, yeah? So let's get to the final one, which I will share with you today. Tap into the wide reach of TikTok. Listen, TikTok is crazy. There are videos you post, you don't know how far it's going to go. All you need to learn is how to make hook, how to create hooks. Hook is the first 3 to 5 seconds of every video you post. That 3 to 5 seconds, once it is able to capture people, the video is going to go far. It is free. Amazingly, it is free. And you have a phone, right? I mean, you have a smartphone. So simply use your smartphone like this, put on a tripod, or simply video what you are doing. Be creative, be creative. Put out your video, put out your business online. TikTok is powerful. See, you will go more viral on TikTok. It is easier to go more viral on TikTok than it is to go more viral on Instagram Reel, right? Take advantage of TikTok. If you cannot make those videos yourself, employ someone who is good at making videos to do it for you. Or if you don't want to employ anybody, pay content creators, the nano influencers, all those micro influencers who are coming up. They are still very much affordable. Pay as much as you want, as many of them as you can afford. They will give you amazing videos about your product. You can even invite them to your store. If you have a store, they will make videos there. Post it. These videos has a way of reaching a large audience and people who are most likely going to come to your business. People who sell hair, they go live on Instagram, they sell out their products. People who sell power banks, people who sell meat, as simple as meat, people who sell eyeglasses, right? People who sell wallets, simple stuff that you think does not matter. People sell them via Instagram live, via TikTok live. I know people who come on TikTok to sell shoes, footwears. They go live, people begin to order. You can do the same thing. If you don't want to go live, just make amazing, interesting, captivating videos with a good hook. You never know which one will go viral and your business will blow up, right? If you tap into these 5 ways, you can do all of them because it's not limited, it is free, nothing is stopping you. Do the hard work so I can enjoy the amazing reward that comes from your hard work. So do the hard work first, the rewards will come. If you implement this stuff, I assure you, you're not only going to get more customers, you are going to reach more people who will be aware of your business, of your product, so that whenever they need what you offer, they will come to you. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, yes, I will need you to like this video, drop a comment, ask your questions. Also share this video with as many people you know will find it helpful, especially business owners. Share it on your WhatsApp, on TikTok, on Instagram, on your stories. Share it so that people can come and learn and grow their business. Okay, you can follow me on social media. On Twitter, my name is Courage Ngele. On Instagram, my name is also Courage Ngele. That's my handle. I'll see you in my next video. If you have any questions, I'll be in the comment section there to interact with you. Cheers.